How can we help students practice their listening and speaking skills? In this video, you'll learn about an engaging listening and speaking game called Story Retelling with a Twist. This game takes about 45 minutes, and it is intended for students at a lower intermediate level and above. All you need to play this game is a joke or a short story with a surprise ending. To start the game, tell students, "I'm going to tell a story. You must listen carefully. After I finish telling the story, you will tell the same story yourselves." Then, divide the class into groups of 4 to 5 students. Ask one person from each group to stand outside the classroom. These students will be called the storytellers. Once the storytellers have left the room, you can review important vocabulary and grammar that the students will hear in the story. However, most vocabulary and grammar in the story should already be familiar to students. The story or joke you choose should be at your students' level. After the review, read the story or joke out loud to the students. Read it once slowly and then a second time at a normal pace. Then, ask the storytellers to return to the classroom and rejoin their groups. Their groups will tell them the story that they heard once or twice. Ask one of the storytellers to come to the front of the room and ask the rest of the storytellers to leave the classroom again. The storyteller at the front of the room will retell the story to the class. The other storytellers will then do the same one at a time. After each storyteller has retold the story, students can tell them what they did well and what they might have left out of the story. Finally, you can ask each group to choose who they thought was the best storyteller and explain their decision.